Right, Puta. You all welcome to the our grade 9 math class. Right. So now we will start the lesson. Right. Uh, right. So tell me what we discussed. We started the binary lesson. Right. We discussed how to convert the binary numbers to the decimal numbers and how to convert the decimal numbers to the binary numbers. And we identify the place value of each binary numbers. So can you remember the previous things that we learned?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Uh, okay. So now we have the lesson today, binary addition, right? So now you can write down the topic, addition of binary numbers, addition of binary numbers. Write down the topic, addition of binary numbers. So we have the lesson, addition of binary numbers. Right. So I will teach you in a nice way to remember these things, right? So to add the binary numbers, you have to remember this basic concept. Okay, fine. So imagine we have binary numbers. You know that they are place value, right? So the last place value, the right corner place value is 1. That means 2 to the power 0. Then the place value is 2. Then the place value is 4. Likewise, 8, right? Then 16, then 32, likewise there. Okay. So these are the place value of each digits in the binaries. Okay. Now imagine here we have 1 under the one's place, the place value of 1, and we have 0. So when you add up 1 plus 0, what happened? So you have to remember 1 plus 0. So they are in the place value 1 here. So 1 plus 0 become 1. Right. එකට බිඳුවක් add වුණාම 1. So we are discussing binary numbers. So 1 plus 0, 1. So imagine we have, so that is the first example. So I write here 1 plus 0 is 1. Then I write this one, 1, 2, 4, 8, likewise. Then I need to take 1 plus 1. Okay, I need to take 1 plus 1 in binary numbers. See there. So how to write the answer? Then in decimal numbers, we tell that 1 plus 1, 2. But here we cannot say that 1 plus 1, 2, because you know that in binary numbers, the digits available for us to write is 0 and 1. Okay, we cannot write 2. We know that actually 1 plus 1, 2, yes. Then here we have ones, here we have twos, here we have fours, here we have 8. So what we can do here, 1 plus 1 is 2. Fine. We can bring that 2 to the place values 2. Right. So we can write that 2 as 1 twos here. තේරුම් ගන්න. ඒතර පුතේ 1 plus 1 2 නේ. ඒතකොට දෙකක් කියන එක අපිට මේක දෙකක් තියන්න බෑ. ඒතර දෙක ගෙනියනවා දෙකේ ගොඩට. right. ඒතර දෙකේ ගොඩට දැනෙන්නේ කීයක් එනවා කියලාද? දෙකක් එනවා කියන්නේ දෙකේ ගොඩට දැනෙන්නේ. twos place. They feel that 1 twos is coming. twos කීයක් දෙන්නේ එකක්. එහෙනම් ඔන්න බලන්න උත්තරේ එන විදිය. So 1 plus 1 actually 2. When it goes to the twos place, right, it feel that 1 2 is coming. 1 2 is coming. So here what is that? We brought all the value to the other side. So here it becomes 0. So now in binaries, 1 plus 1 become 1 0. තේරුණානේ ඉන්න විදිය. ඉරවගේ පාඩම් කරන්න ඕනේ logic එක ගන්න හැදෙන විදිය. 1
Sir,
plus 1 0. No, 1 plus 1 1 0. Yes, Puta.
sir, I didn't understood this part.
Okay. See everyone. So in binary, when we have 1 plus 1, right, we know that 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay. In binaries, these are the places. Here the place value is 1. Here place value 2, 4, 8. In decimal numbers, we know that 1, 10, 100,000. Similarly, we have 1, 2, 4, 8. So 1 plus 1, 2, but we cannot put 2 there because here we can put maximum 1. So 2 can transfer to the left side to the place 2. So 2 comes as 1 twos. එතකොට දෙකක් ගෙනියන්නේ මේ පැත්තට. right. එතකොට දෙකේ ගොඩට දැනෙන්නේ දෙකක් එනවා නෙමෙයි. දෙකක් කියන්නේ දෙකේ ගොඩවල් එකක්. right. So it feels that 1 2 parts is coming. So that's why you put 1 here and then here all the things brought to there. So here 0 is. So 1 0 is the answer. Right. So when we add to the base 2, here base 2, here base 2, we are binary. Okay, and here 1 2 and 1 2, then you add 1 0 2. පැහැදිලිද? Hands up those who got this concept. Right. එතකොට මේක අර ගිරව වගේ පාඩම් කරගෙන යන්නත් පුළුවන්. හැබැයි ඊට වඩා logically හිතන්න ඕනේ එන විදිය. 1 plus 1, again tell me 1 plus 1, what is the answer? 1 0. අපි ලේසියට නිකන් 10 කියන්න. හැබැයි base එක 2, remember that. 1 plus 1 10. Base 0. Okay, but normally we read that 1 0. Now okay, I think. Then the third example. So these things are compulsory for the addition of binary. We should know this one. Okay, third question. Here we have the bases I am writing. For this, your reference I am writing to understand the logic. 1 2 4 8, these are the place values. So I have to add now 1 plus 1 plus 1 and check how to take the answer. So base R2. I tell everyone 1 plus 1 plus 1, what is the normal answer? 3. 1 plus
3.
1 plus 1, 3. But we cannot put 3 there. We can put, from the 3, we can bring 2's, 1 2's to the left side. We can bring 1 2's, තුනෙන් දෙකක් ගෙනියන්න. කීයක් ඉතුරුද? How many remains there? 1. Here 1 remains. We had 3. We brought 2's to the left side. Now it is place 2's place. Right. So it feels that 2 is coming, but the 2 feels that 1 2 is coming. So here 1 2's and that remaining 1 is there. දෙකේව එකක් මෙහෙට ගෙනියනවා. ඒතර අතන තුනක් නේ ආවේ. ඒතකොට තුනෙන් එකක් මෙතන තිබ්බා. දෙකේ ගොඩක් මෙහෙට ගෙනිච්චා. ඒතර දෙකේ ගොඩට දැනෙන්නේ දෙකක් නෙමෙයි. එකක් එන්නේ. දෙකේ ගොඩවල් එකක් තියෙන්නේ. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 11. Right. 1 1 base 2. Right. Understood everyone? Hands up those who got concept. So addition of binaries, you should know these three concepts. 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 1 0, 1 plus 1 plus 1 1 1 to the base 2.
Sir,
Yes.
so in the first example, we did it normal, like 1 plus 0,
Yeah.
always 1, no?
Already 1, yes. Because one's place we can put 1, no issue. Okay.
Okay. Then
Right.
when we take it to the 2 side, we take that 1 as 1, no? Because 1 plus 1, no, 2.
2, 1 plus 1 2. We cannot put 2 there. We bring that 2 to the 2's place. So 2 feel that 1 2 is coming. Make it in the good. So it feel that 1 2 is coming. That's why we put 1.
So in the third example,
Yes.
there is no 3, no. So why can't we take 4? And why are we only taking 2?
Here the
Yeah.
place values are running 1 2 4 8. We cannot change that one. Why? As per the abacus, right? We know that here 2 to the power 0, that means 1. Then 2 to the power 1 2, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, Likewise, the place values are different. So we cannot change this order 1, 2, 4, 8. So we have to bring this one directly to the left side because it feel now 1, 2 is coming. The balance one was there.
So if there are 4 times 1 means
4 times 1, then we will check. Imagine here we have the fourth example 1, 2, 4, 8. Imagine here we have 4 times 1. But in your syllabus, normally we are not much dealing that one. But remember, in some questions I have seen in the textbook, we have 4 times 1. So what is the answer? Now tell everyone. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 means 4. So can you put 4 there?
no.
Can we? No, we cannot put 4. So 4 means we can bring to the twos parts. 4 means how many twos are there? 2 twos. But can you put 2 twos there? Two digits? No. So what we do there, we bring that 4 directly to 4 part. So 4, how many parts? 4 means 4 parts feel that 1 is coming. Right. So no any 2 parts, no any 0 parts. So what is the answer? 1, 0, 0. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Anita පැහැදිලිද පුතේ? Right. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Okay. Yes.
if there are no options only, we are going for 4, no?
Yes, because we cannot put 4 there under these columns because two parts we cannot put 2 digits. You know that 1 and 0 only available for binaries. Okay, see everyone. Huh? right මේක මම එන විදිහ කියන්නේ දැන් ගොඩක් වෙලාවට ඕක කටපාඩමින් කියලා දෙනවා ඇරෙන්න ඔහොම කියලා දෙන්නේ නැහැ right see this way okay I write the question number 4 again 1 2 4 8 so imagine we have to add 4 ones together see there 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 actually answer 4 right but we cannot put 4 there so we have to bring transfer to the left sides so here we have 2 so 4 comes to the 2's place right දෙකේ ගොඩවල් මෙතන ඉන්නේ එතකොට 2 feels that 4 comings mean how many two parts two parts there so if I put two parts it's also incorrect we cannot put two digits so two parts so I will not keep here I bring that 4 to the this part. So 4 parts feel that 4 is coming means 1 4 is there. So 4 parts feels that is 1. 4 is coming means 4 feel that 1 is there. හතරේවා එකක් එන්නේ. හතරක් එනවා කියන්නේ හතරේ ගොඩට දැනෙන්නේ එකක්. හතරේ ගොඩවල් විදියට sets විදියට හිතන්න. So 1 feel. So here nothing and here nothing. Why? All the part being transferred to the 4 parts as 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 gives you 1 0 0. Right. I think that's fine. Okay. Right. Okay. Now you can write this for example 1, 2, 3, 4. These both are similar. Right. Yeah. If anyone is having any unclear case, you can ask me. Huh? So this is how you do the additions of binary. First, so these are compulsory to know. Why? 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1. In your mind, see that 10, right? But we are saying 1, 0. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 11. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 100. Right. So binaries are available in grade 9 syllabus only. Later on, we will not learn binary in maths in grade 10 and 11. So this is the lesson you have to learn in this grade only, right? Once you completed the writing, you can raise your hand. Everyone, be live in the session, right? Inara, can you understand Inara? Oh, Inara. Now, okay. If you have still doubt, okay. Right. Likewise, you can ask any questions, huh? Yes, if we have five ones, then we can put where? One, what is the answer? Five ones. Here, that transfer. One you can keep there, and four can transfer to this part. Then what would be the answer? One, zero, one. Right. Okay, finish writing. Okay, I will erase the board now, if you're okay. Right. So the place values been written for easy understanding how these values becomes in that way. Okay. Okay. Now basically you are dealing these three situations. Tell me the answers for this one. 1 plus 0. Tell me the answer now. 1. They are binary. Yeah. So base always 2. You have to write it. Okay. Then imagine 0 plus 0. This is not much issue. You know that. 0 plus 0 is always what? 0. Right. Then tell me the answer. 1 plus 1. What is the answer? 1, 0. We understood. 1 plus 1, 1, 0. Okay. Then fourth, we discussed 1 plus 1 plus 1. These are all binary. So 1, 1 to the base 2. All are base 2. We have to write it. Okay. Okay. Everyone okay with this four concept? See everyone to the concept again. 1 plus 0, 1. 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 1, 1, 0. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 1, 1. ලේසියට මතක තියාගන්න 1 plus 1, 10. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 11. දැන් මිනිස්සු අහගෙන හිටියොත් එම් බලයි මොනවද මේ කියලානේ. 1 plus 1 කොහොමද 10 වෙන්නේ? 1 plus 1 plus 1, 11 වෙන්නේ කොහොමද? These are binary numbers. Okay, right. So if you are dealing in ICT subjects, also you will deal with binary system because the um computer language, right, uh, are depend upon these binary systems, binary numbers, right? So when you are dealing with the A-level ICT also, you may deal with these binary numbers. But in maths, in all-level maths, we are learning at grade 9 only, right? Grade 10, 11 in my as my memory, we are not dealing binary numbers.
Sir,
Yes.
so we can do the other sums also in the method which you taught, no?
Yes. Any ones you can add to the method I taught, right? Any number of ones you can add. Okay, fine. Okay, so these are the four things that you have to remember uh, when you are adding the binary number. So this is my first example. See that one. So I am going to add the binary 101, right? Add 10. So base 2, base 2. You have to write the base and we are adding together. Okay, now I add the binaries from, so we are starting from the right corner as per the decimal numbers additions, similar to that procedure. So 1 plus 0, it gives you 1, right? Then 0 plus 1, again 1. So 1 here, nothing means 0 there. So 1 plus 0, similarly 1. So you have to write the base 2. So this is my first example. See clearly, yeah? Right. The second one, 1010 base 2, and I add 110 base 2. Right. Now see the answer. 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 1. Now you see that 1 plus 1, 10. 10 means 1, 0. Okay, 1, 0. You write the last digit 0 there. Right. 1, 1, 0. We write last 0. And we bring that one to the left side. See, they are clearly, yeah? Right on the top one. Okay, then here 1 plus 1, again 1 plus 1, what is the answer? 10. So you put that 0 of the 10 and bring that 1 to the left side. Then what happened? 1 plus 1, that becomes 1, 0. Now you can put the 1, 0 because no any terms left side to that. So 1, 0 you put, right? You put the base 2. Understood? If any doubts, you can ask. See again now. 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 1, 10. 10 means 1, 0. You put 0 and bring that 1. Then 1 plus 1 again 1, 0. Then put the last 0 and 1 remaining. 1 plus 1, then 10. Then mean 1, 0. You put at last. So the answer is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, fine. That is the second example. Then third example, balagnin liyan yan pa, right? Don't write. Here I have 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, add 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. I will write 1, 1, base 2. Addition now. See there, very clearly. See to the board, everyone. Right, 1 plus 1, you know that 10. 10 means you put 0, 1 is there. Now see that 1 plus 1 plus 1. I taught you that that is 11. 11 means 1, 1. Okay. So you put last digit 1 and bring that 1 to this side. Right, again 1 plus 1 plus 1, 11. You put 1 and bring that 1. Here 0, nothing there. So 1 comes there. Then 1 plus 1, it becomes 10. 1 plus 1, 10. Right, you put 1, 0. So base is 2. There in any doubts you can ask. Huh? Don't be shy or afraid. Right, this is your class. Okay, fourth one. I have to add 1 plus 1, 0, 1, 1. Add 1, 1, 0. Add 1. Right, see they are all are base 2. Okay. See there. 1 plus 1. Tell me the answer. 10. You put 0. 1 is remaining. Then 1 plus 1 plus 1. What is the answer? 11. You put 1 there. Okay. Then you bring 1 to that side. Then 1 plus 1. Again 0. Right. 10. 10. Then 0 you put there. Then you bring 1, then 1 plus 1, 10. You can put 1, 0 together, base 2. So everyone, are you okay with that? Hands up those who got the addition clearly. So the basic idea, right? 1 plus zeros, 1, 1 plus 1, 10, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 11. Only that, right?
So we did know 1, 2, 4, 8. Like we wrote the binary numbers up and we found it's 10, like that. So we are doing it only to find like the values. No, when we are adding, we are not doing that method. No, we are
No,
just
we are giving the answers on the binary format, right? We do not want to convert to the decimals, right? That's the question you asked, right?
no. So I mean, like earlier we did like how to find 10, 1, 0 and all. 1 plus 1, 1, 0.
Ah, okay. Yeah. Yeah, no, you no need to put the place values and show the ways, right? Just do this one.
Okay.
Okay, write down. Right. Every time, try to remember that when you are dealing in maths, think how it comes, right? Why it comes, right? Without reason, maths is not born, right? All the concepts having reasons, right? So understand in that way. Otherwise, if you imagine some students I have seen that they are right memorizing 1 plus 1, 1 0, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 11. Uh, they can also pass the exam and some are getting A's, right? But identify and understand how it came 11, how it came 1 0. So by yourself argue that, right? Then only you can feel the mathematics. Okay, complete this one and tell me whether you have finished or not. This lesson is also helpful for the ICT, if you are doing IT. Right, everybody try to be attended, right, for all the classes, especially this is maths class, not like the other classes, so you must come to the live class. I not prefer to have the recordings. Finish writing. Okay, right, so I will give few questions you to do. So imagine the binary numbers are sometimes given into this direction, horizontal directions, but you have to write this into the vertical order. That would be easy to you, right? Okay, the first question you have, so some questions been extracted through your exercises. So 101, so all are base 2, right? You have to write the base and take the answer. First one, the second one, base 2, and add up 1011 base 2. So these are addition. Third one, the fourth one given as, right, base 2 plus here 11101 base 2. Right. So you have 5 questions to deal that one. So you can give me the answers to the chat. We will check how the progress. So when you have the word horizontal order, you have to arrange it to the vertical order, right? Here the vertical order, that would be easy for adding. Right. So basic concept. What are the concepts? See, to tell everyone, 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 0, 0, right? 1 plus 1, 1, 0, then 1 plus 1 plus 1, 1, 1. Only that, right? Then real, we have the 1 plus 1 plus 1, 4 ones being added, then 1, 0, 0. Right. You can drop your answers once you completed. Or if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Right. Any questions? No issue. Hands up those who finish the writing of 5 questions. Right. Okay. Shall we check the answers? Okay. See the answers. Right. This is how you take the answer. 1 plus 1, 1, 0 means 10. Right. You put 0 there. 1 brings to the other side. 1 plus 1, 10. You put 0. 1 is there. Then 1 plus 1 plus 1, 11. Right. Means 1, 1. For our easy reference, we are writing 11, 1, 1. Base 2. Right. Hands up those who got the answer. 1, 1, 0, 0 for first one. Very good. Right. Next one. 1 plus 1, 0. Right. Then 1 is remaining. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 11. 1 is 1 there. 1 is remaining. 1 plus 1, 10. 1 0 is there. 1 remaining. 1 plus 1, 10. 0 is there. 1 remaining. 1 plus 1, 10. So it becomes 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Hands up those who got the answer. Right. Well done. Nehemiah. Great. So the third question, see everyone. Okay. So 1, 1, 0. Right. 1 is there. 1, 1, 10, 0, 1 is there. 1, 1, 10, 0, 1 is there. 1, 1, 1, 11, 1 there. You bring that one to the left side. 1, 1, 10, 1, 0. So the answer 1, 0, 1, 3 zeros. Got it? Okay. Next one. So we write 1, 1, 1, 0, 1 to the base 2. Then 1, 1, 1, 0 base 2. You have to add these two. So you have to write in the vertical order, but remember when you are writing, that shall be aligned into the right corner, right? When you are writing the numbers, okay? So 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 10, you put 0, 1 remaining, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 11, right? So you put 1, then bring 1, 1 plus 1, 1, 0 to the base 2. So what is the answer? 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. Got it? Right. Hands up those who got the answer. Okay. Well done. Himaya. Any questions? Any doubts? Or if you are not getting these answers, tell me. Right. So here the last one. Right. This one aligning to the last corner, right? 1, 0. Then 1. Then you have to add 1 plus 1, 10. 0 is there. 1 remaining. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 11. 1 there. 1 remaining. So 1 plus 1, 10. 1 remaining, then here 1, and here 0, here 1. So base 2. 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Right. Okay. Fine. Hari. Enang on addition wala, I will give the very hard question, hardest question for you. But if you are okay with the logic, then you can understand. Here better write the place values on the top. Right. Then it would be easy for you. Right. Okay, are you ready? This is the value of the question is 1 million. So if you do it, you receive 1 million rupees, right? Okay, right, right. So this is the question, right? Try to do this one. Write down, right? You can drop the answers to the chat box. I will select the winners and gives you 1 million rupees verbally. Huh? Right. Write down 1 1 1 1, then 1 1 1, then 1 1, again 1 1. Right. Base 2, right? The competition is start. You can take the answer. You check if you are okay with the question or not. Huh? කලබල නැතුව කරන්න මේක අමාරුම ප්‍රශ්නයක් ඔයාලගේ ලෙවල් එකකින් ඈ පැටලෙනවා බයිනරිස්. If you complete, you can send me the answer. We'll check the winners. No answer is taken yet. Right, we got one answer. We'll check. Right, let me check the answers. Right, I will tell at last. So we got wait, we got how many answers? Yes, Rashmini, we got your answer. Inara, we got your answer. Rashmini and Inara has given similar answer. Then Isara given the answer, and Yasara given the answer. Who else? Try. Everyone try. Manually given the answer. මෙච්චර ලොකු කම්ප්ලෙක්ස්ම ඉන්නේ නැති එක්සෑම් එකට right හැබැයි සාමාන්‍ය මේකෙන් සාමාන්‍ය ප්‍රශ්නයක් එන්නේ but if you understood that logic place values logic you can do others cannot do it right මේ වගේ ගණන් දීලා බලන්න ගොඩක් අයට හදාගන්න බෑ. What about Sanuli? given the answer? Again, you can try. Okay. So shall we discuss? Time is enough, I think. Okay. So now I am discussing. See the question. Okay, very well. So this is the question, right? This is a bit hardest question. You can give to the friends and see the answers. Okay. So to avoid any mistakes, I write their place values on the top, right? Uh, so this one on the top I write this is ones means 2 to the power zeros. Here 2 to the power 1 twos. Here fours we have on the top I write ones, then twos, and here fours, and here eights, and here 16s likewise. Okay, so these are the place values of each number, right? If any doubts, you can ask, okay? Then I add four ones, one, two, three, four, right? So what I mentioned, four means, right? Here I put zeros because I can transfer four to which place value I can transfer directly, not to this one. Here this one as one force, so I write one force on this. तर මෙතන ආපු උත්තරේ this being added as 4, so that 4 being transferred not to the 2's because in that the 2's I can write 2 2's that it would be difficult, then I directly transfer as 4 ones on the top here, then becomes 0. Okay, then I add to this one 1 2 3 4, again fours, right? Then I put zeros. Okay, I put zeros. Then what happens? 2 fours means what is the value? Here 2 place value is 2. Here 4 means 2 fours. 2 fours means 8. 2 fours means මෙතන හතරක් කියන්නේ දෙකේම හතරක්. So 2 fours mean 8. So I can put that here 0 and for the 8 part 1. 8 ගොඩට 1. අර අපි හරියට කිව්වේ 1 1 1 4 add වුණොත් 100 කියලා. ඒ 100 කිව්වේ මේකට 0 වැටිලා මේකට 1 වැටෙනවා. ඊට ළඟ කෙනාට 0 වැටලා අරයට 1 වැටෙනවා. ඕක තමයි මෙතනත් උනේ. මේ 0 දැම්මා මෙතන 0 මෙතන 1 වුණා. 100 උනේ හිමයි. Right. Then now you can see here 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1. 3 ones. You know the answer. 11. So 1 is remaining there. 1. And 1 remaining. So you bring that 1 to the other side. Then 1 plus 1 plus 1 again 11. Right. So what is the answer? 1 1 1 0 0 to the base 2. If you do not know the place values and logic behind the binaries, you will never do that. Right. Hands up who understood the concept.
So we should write that 1 also down the place value of 4, no? Because like 4 ones, no?
Yes, yes, for ones. That one shall be here, one shall be transferred to not this one, to this fourth place. Okay, fine. So I think that is fine to you. So now the addition part is over. Any questions? additions of binary ප්‍රශ්න අහන්න පුතා. දැන් සානුලි විතරයි ප්‍රශ්න අහනවා දැක්කේ. අනිත් අයත් ප්‍රශ්න අහන්න ඕනේ. රයිට් ඒ වගේ. Tamanට ක්ලියර් වෙනකම් ප්‍රශ්න අහන්න. මම ඒකයි කිව්වේ මේක ඔන්ලයින් ක්ලාස් එකක් විතරක් නෙමෙයි සාමාන්‍ය. right confidence වෙන්න ඕනේ තමනුත් subject එක through any question ඕන එකක් අහලා මේක දැනගන්න. ඒ තමන්ට බැරි වුණොත් තමන්ටමයි ඒකේ පාඩුව තියෙන්නේ. right okay now we are moving to the subtraction of binaries. That's the difficult part rather than the addition. So are you okay with the addition? I can give a this like fill in the blanks question. We will do one come fill in the blanks questions, right? Write down before move to the next part. See this question, you have to complete the square 111 0, write down, and here 1 blank and blank, and then the answer is given 1 0, here 0 1, and here 1 0, right right write down this one. So addition binary base 2 base 2, fill in the blanks. Right, fill in the blanks of these two questions and give me the answer. Right, complete the blanks. Okay, right. We'll check the answers. Right. See there, to 0 to add something to become the answer 1. So what you put there, 1. Then 1 and something being added becomes 0. You know that 1 plus 1, 10. So here shall be 1. Then 1 plus 1, 10. 0 is there. Then 1 brings to the other side. Then again 1 plus 1 plus 1, you know that 11 means last 1 is kept there. Right. Then 1 brings there. 1 plus 1. Yes, 1, 0. That is fine. So the blanks gives you this 1, 1. And here 1. Here 1 plus 0 is 1. And here 1 should be there the answer. Then here cannot 1. Here shall be 0 plus 1, 1. Then 1 plus 1, it is fine. 0. Right, 1 there. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 11. 1 there. Here. Hands up those who got the answer. This is very easy compared to the questions that we completed. Okay, fine. නියමයි. එහෙනම් අපි ඔන්න වැඩේට යනවා දැන්. Subtraction of binary numbers. Right? Write down now. The new topic. This would be the hard part of the lesson. Subtraction. Right. Subtraction of binary numbers. Subtraction of binary numbers. Hari. Right now you are in grade 9, right? So as I mentioned, grade 9, some parts are being there in grade 10, as well as they are coming to the grade 11 and O level papers, right? So we can see some parts in grade 9 also they are in O level paper. So learn these things very nicely, very clearly, right? So if any doubts you can ask, right? Maths is a subject that we have to experience it, right? Not like reading something or getting the knowledge, right? So you have to experience this, and this is a practical subject, right? Every theory has a basis, right? පුතා හැම එකකටම බේස් එකක් තියෙනවා. ඒ බේස් එක හරියටම ඉගෙන ගන්න. අනිත් එක තමයි ඉගෙන ගන්න කාලේ right පුළුවන් තරම් ආසාව ඇති කරගන්න. අපි යමක් ඉගෙන ගන්නකොට right interesting එක තමයි ඕනම දෙයක් පිළිටන් විෂයක් පිළිටන්. නිසා ඒ ආසාව හොඳට ඇති කරගෙන විෂය යෙදෙන්න ඒක නිකන් අර අපි කියන්නේ හොබි එකක් කරගන්න. ආසාවෙන් ඉගෙන ගන්න. අපි නිකන් ඉගෙන ගන්න මේක එක්සෑම් පාස් වෙන්නම නෙමෙයි. අපි මැත්ස් වලට ආසයි. right ඒ නිසායි අපි මැත්ස් ඉගෙන ගන්න වගේ concept එක කියන්නේ. එතකොට අපිට නිකම්ම මේ subjects පුළුවන් වෙනවා. අපි ඉගෙන ගන්න කාලෙත් එහෙමයි. right දැන් හැම වෙලෙම try කරන්න maths වලට ලකුණු 100ටම යන්න. එකක්වත් වැරදි කරන්න නැති වෙන්න. right එතකොට අපිට ඒක කියන එක නැතින් ඒක ඉබේම එනවා. හරි සහුද්ද උත්සාහවන්තව ඉගෙන ගන්න. මේ කාලේ ඔයාලට තියෙන ටාගට් එක ඔච්චරමයි. ඔක කොච්චරද ලේසිද කියලා තේරෙනවා වයසට එහෙම යනකොට. ඉගෙන ගන්න කාලේ තරම් ලේසි කාලයක් ජීවිතේ නෑ කියලා තමයි තේරෙනවා ඉස්සරහට එන. ජීවිතය අභියෝගයි ඒ කාල සීමාව පහ වුණාම එන ලයිෆ් එකත් එක්ක ගත්තාම. හරි නිසා ඔය කාලේ තමයි Tamanට තියෙන නිදහස්ම කාලේ. අපිට තේරෙන්නේ ඔය කාලේදී මොනවද යද්දයක්ෝ මේ ඉගෙන ගන්නවා පාඩම් කරනවා එහෙම කියලානේ. හැබැයි හරිම කාලේ තමයි ඔය කාලේ. ඔය කාලේ ආයේ ඉන්නේ නැහැ. ඒ නිසා ඒ ඉගෙන ගන්න කාලේ ආසාව ඇති කරගෙන ඉගෙන ගන්න. right. ඒ ඔය බේස් එකම තමයි පුතා අපිට කවුරුහරි කියනවා නෑ සර් අපි මේ අපි 9 කරේ නැතුන අපි 10 11 නැත්නම් E level කරගන්නවා කියලා නෑ. එහෙම වෙනවා අඩුයි. ඔය බේස් එකම තමයි උඩට යන්නේ. අර ওই බේස් එක හරියට වැටුනේ නැත්නම් හොඳ රිසල්ට් එකක් O level වල ගන්න බෑ. හොඳ රිසල්ට් එකක් ගත්තේ නැත්නම් හොඳ විෂයක් E level වලට කරන්න බෑ. තමන් ආස විෂය හිතන්නකො මැත්ස් නම් මැත්ස් කරගන්න අපි ඩිමෝටිවේට් වෙනවා. හොඳ සොලිඩ් එකක් මැත්ස් වලට O level තිබ්බේ නැත්නම්. එකකින් කියන්නේ අපිට O level ඒ නෑ කියලා මැස් කරන්න බෑ කියන එක නෙමෙයි. නමුත් අර අපි පොඩි අර මෙන්ටැලිටි අවුලක් එනවා මට O level වලටත් ඒකක් තිබුණේ නෑනේ කියන එක. හරි. ඒ නිසා මම කියන්නේ O level result එක හොඳට අප් කරගන්න. O level මතම depend වෙන්නේ නෑ A level. O level සහ A level කියන්නේ අහසයි පොළොවයි වගේ. right. ඒ ලොකු පරතරයක් තියෙනවා. හැබැයි ඒ ගැප් එක හරියට ගන්න නම් මේකේ හොඳ ජවයකින් O level එකක් කරගන්න. එතකොට ඒ ගැම්මටම අපිට A level පාත් එක හොඳට හොඳ ස්ට්‍රීම් එකක් තමන් කැමති විෂය ධාරාවක් තෝරාගෙන කරගන්න පුළුවන්. හරි ආසාව ඒක ඇති කරගන්න. අපි කියන්නේ අර ඉගෙන ගන්න එක හොබි එකක් කරගන්න. මේක පන්තිත් ළමයි ටික හොඳයි ප්‍රශ්න අහනවා විවිධ ක්වෙස්චන්ස් අහනවා උත්තර දානවා අන්න එහෙම වෙන්න ඕනේ. right. නිසා හොඳ ඩ්‍රීම් එකක් තමන් දැම්ම තියලම හිතා ගන්න මං ඒ ලෙවල් වල මේ විෂය ධාරාව කරන්නේ මේ පාත් එකේ යන්නේ මෙහිම කෙනෙක් තමයි මම වෙන්නේ. හරි. එතකොට ඒකට ආසාවෙන් වැඩ කරන්න. ඉබේම වෙනවා. right. හොඳයි. එහෙනම් අපි දැන් so now we are moving to the subtraction of binary numbers. This is bit hard, right, compared to the addition. So understand the concept clearly. Okay, right. Now I will move to the questions here. Subtracting of binary. Uh, Here the issue is, see this one, as previously, 1 minus 0, right? These are binary, yeah? So I'm not writing 2, you, and you know that. So 1 subtract 0, එකක් තියෙනවා අපි මොකවත් නැහැ 0 කියන්නේ නැහැ. මේක පැටලෙනවා නම් හිතන්න මෙහෙම. එකක් තියෙනවා අපි ගාව topic එකක් තියෙනවා. We have one topic and we given 0 to the other. 0 means nothing given to other. So we have the 1 0 remain, right? So 1 is there. So that's first. Then second one, 1 subtract 1 is like normal numbers. So I have 1 chocolate and given 1 to the other. 1 had and given 1. So what is the remaining? 0. So 0. Right. Then the case is 0 subtract 1. 0 subtract 1. Right. So here we have to bring 1 from the left side to this one. Right. Then 1 plus 1, 0. Right. Then we cannot put the here 1 is coming. Then 1 plus 1, 0. Oh, sometimes here may have 2 plus 1, 1. Okay, so we cannot exactly determine the answer because it depend upon the value here. Depend upon the value. We can determine this would be 1. Okay, but we cannot say the value here. So here a question mark, right? It depend upon the values beyond that, right? So now we keep silent for this answer and we are when we are dealing with the equations, we can give the answer. Here last digit can determine, but this cannot be listed. Why? It depends upon the digits left to the side. So we bring from here to here because 0 subtract 1, we cannot do the subtraction. We get the values from here, like the decimal subtractions. Okay, fine. Write these three. Right, 2 and 3 is done with the exercises.
Sir,
Yes.
so in addition of binary numbers, you gave a easy method, no? Like how will they form? Like how will they be born?
Yeah.
So in subtraction, there are no methods like that.
Yes. Here for this one, I think that is easy. No, right? 1 subtract 0 means 1. Right. That is the basis. 1. As I mentioned, I have 1 and I given 1, then 0. But for that one, I give the basis. For whenever 0 subtract 1, now I will tell you the method. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, see clearly. Right. Right. So I will give the basis of doing that one. Right. See there. Imagine I have 0. Right. Subtract 1 0. Right. First example, base 2 and here base 2. Tell everyone the answer with me. Right. 0 subtract 0. What is the answer? 0. You know that. Then 1 subtract 1. What is the answer? 0. You know that. Then 1 and here 0. 1 subtract 0 means 1. 1 matino. Right. 1 base 2. That is fine. Right. Now you, because we are not subtracting from 0, 1. That's the case. Case refers to the second question. Now see that 1, 1, 0 subtract 1, 1. උතර බලාගෙන ඉන්න. දැන් තමයි case එක වෙන හැටි මම කියලා දෙනවා. Right? Then I will give you the way of getting the answer in short manner, short method. But now I tell you the way of happening here. Right? So I write the place values there on the top. 1, then 2, and here 4. Okay. So 0 subtract 1, I cannot do the subtraction. Okay. Then I move to the very first digits to the left side. That means here having 1. So, but that represent 2. Place value is 2 means here we have 2 parts. 2 parts 1. We have 2 parts. දෙකේව මේ තියෙන්නේ. දෙකේව එකක් තියෙන්නේ. 2 parts 1. So we bring that one to the ones part. Okay. But 2, 1 coming means one part feel that 1, 2s. දෙකේව එකක් ගේන්න. දැන් දෙකේ ගොඩෙන් එකක් ගේනවා කියන්නේ පුතා. එකේ ගොඩට දැනෙන්නේ දෙකේව එකක් එනවා කියන්නේ එකේව දෙකක්. එහෙනම් මෙතෙන්ට දෙකක් එන්නේ පුතා. එකේව දෙකක්. ඔන්න අපි 1, 2s දැම්මා. තේරුණාද හැමෝට මේක? Right. Then මෙතන තියෙනවා දෙකක්. Right. 2 subtract 1. උතර දෙකෙන් එකක් අඩු වුණාම කීයද පුතා? 1. So here what happened? We close it. We cut it. Here 1 was there. It's brought to the other side. So then it is 0. දැන් මොකද වෙන්නේ? Again 0 subtract 1. You cannot do. You cannot subtract. So we have to bring this one from this side, this one. ඔන්න බලන්න වෙන දේ. Force එකක් ගේන්නේ. Force එකක් ගේන්නේ 2s ගොඩට. එතකොට 4 එකක් එනවා කියන්නේ 2 ගොඩට දැනෙන්නේ කීයක් එනවා කියලාද? දෙකක් එනවා. එහෙනම් 4 එක කට් වෙනවා. 4 එකකින් ඉල්ලනවා. යා 0 වෙනවා දැන්. එතකොට 4 එකක් මෙහෙට දෙනවා means we transfer 1 means it feels that 2 parts 2. ඔන්න දෙකක් ආවා. Then 2 වලින් 1 subtract වෙනවා 1. Now here 0, 0 subtract 0, 0. Front zeros, we are not writing. Front zeros. If with the beginning zeros, only zeros, we are not writing it. So the base 2. තේරුණාද පුතා එක? මම ලේසි ක්‍රම ඊළඟට කියනවා concept එක අඳුර ගන්න වෙන විදිය. Right? Is that okay? Hands up those who okay with that?
So we add 1 plus 1, that is 2, and 2 minus 1.
Sorry, again?
It means like, no. Here we borrowed, no. So 2 ones, no. Then when we borrow 1
Yeah.
feels like 1 plus 1, no. Then 2, no.
Yes,
From
yes.
that 2, we are subtracting 1.
Yes, from here 2 subtracting 1, 1. Then here we had ones but brought there. Now 0. Here we cannot subtract 1. We bring 4 ones. 4 ones means 2 2s. That's why we put 2. Then 2 subtract 1 again 1. Here nothing 0 because front 0 is not written.
Okay.
Okay, put others. Are you okay, everyone? Right. If any questions, ask. Huh? Don't be shy. Right.
4
Again,
minus 1, no?
hmm?
4 minus 1, no? There.
Hmm?
No, no, like in the fourth place, there is a 1, no?
Yes.
So we take that, no? Then 2 feels like 2 twos, no?
Yes, two twos.
Then 1 should be repeated 4 times, no?
No, two twos because we are dealing with these parts, not we transfer to here. We are in two parts, so two parts feels only twos. Two twos. That's why we put twos. Here two parts. මේකින් දෙකේ ගොඩවල්. එතකොට දෙකේව දෙකක් තමයි මේ තියෙන්නේ. දෙකේව දෙකක් හතර එකක් ගන්නවා කියන්නේ දෙකේ දෙකක්. Right, two parts.
Okay.
Right. පුතේ okay නේ? Right. So again another examples බලන්න මේක මම කිව්වේ අමාරුම part එක හැබැයි හරියටම ඉගෙන ගන්න ඊට පස්සේ මම ලේසිම ක්‍රමයේ කියලා දෙනවා ඈ. එතකොට ගාන හදන්න පුළුවන්. හැබැයි base එක ඉස්සෙල්ලා අඳුරගෙන ඉන්න වෙන විදිහ. Right, third one. 1010 right base 2 subtract 1 1 දෙට අහගෙන ඉන්න. Right, subtraction. එතකොට 0 subtract 1. So what is the answer? You cannot subtract. You bring from here. Then 1. 1 means here 2's. Here 0. I make it again. It's a 0 them. Then 2 subtract 1. 1. Again, අන්න පුතා මෙතන වෙන දේ බලන්න. දැන් මම place values උඩ ලියාගෙන ගියොත් 1 2 4 8 තියෙන්නේ. දැන් මෙයාගෙන් ගන්න නැහැ. හරිද? එතකොට එයා මෙයාගෙන් ඉල්ලනවා. Right. So he brings from here. ඒතර මෙයාගේ ඉන්න එක්කෙනා නැතුව යනවා. මෙයාට එකක් එනවා. මෙයාගෙන් එකක් කියන්නේ 8ව එකක් 4 පැත්තට එනවා කියන්නේ. Right. 4ට දැනෙන්නේ කීයක්ද? 8 එකක් මේ 4 ගොඩට ගන්නවා කියන්නේ 4ට දැනෙන්නේ කීයක් එනවා කියලා 4 ඒවා දෙකක්. So you write twos there. මෙන්න twos. ඉරි දෙකක් දාගත්තා. දැන් මෙයා අරගෙන තමයි මෙයාට දෙන්නේ. එතකොට මෙයාගෙන් එකක් තමයි දෙන්නේ මෙතෙන්ට. right? එතකොට එකක් මේ දෙකක් නෙගත්තේ හොඳට බලාගෙන ඉන්න. මම ඒක ලොක් කරලා පස්සේ අඳින්නම්. මෙයාගේ එකක් ගන්නවා දැන්. ඒක අඳින්න කලින් මේ දෙක ලියා ගන්නකො පුතා. එතන ලොකුවට ඇඳලා මම විස්තර කරන්නම් ඒ ගාන. first write these two. උඩට ඒක මම explain කරනවා ඊළඟ ගාන. මේ දෙක ලියා ගන්නකො. write down. If any doubts, you can ask, because the subtraction part is the hard part rather than the addition. Okay, I will again explain, Puta. No issue. Once you finish the writing, raise your hand. Right. So, okay. Now we will move to the next question. Right. Right. I will do another questions. Right. Few questions subtracting. No issue. I have one, one, one. I bit separated and subtracting one, one. See, they are base two, base two. Okay. Now tell everyone. Here one subtract. Here no issue. That is very easy. Right. With hard questions. That is fine. One, one, zero, zero. And here I have one, one, one. Right. Base two. See there. So short way to remember that one, I will give you now the short methods, right? When you transfer one, you know that place value concept. See there place values. So place values 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So can you see this? Okay. See clearly. When you bring 116 to the one, when you bring 1 to the 18 place, see very clearly this concept, then 116 means 8 part feels that 2 eights. Okay, right. Then if you bring 1 from 8 parts to the 4 sides, 1 8 mean 4 twos. Okay, so if you bring 1 fourth to the 2 parts means it feels that 2 twos. If you brings 1 twos to the right side means to the one place, that means 1 twos. So always now you feel that when you bring 1 to the right side, it's written as twos. When you bring 1 to the other side, always it's written as 2. තේරුණානේ එක වෙන විදිය? Right. අටේව එකක් කියන්නේ හතරේ ගොඩට දෙකක්. හතරේව එකක් ගන්නවා කියන්නේ මෙතෙන්ට දෙකක් ලකුණු කර ගන්නවා. දෙකේව එකක් මෙහෙට ගන්නවා කියන්නේ එකේව දෙකක් ලකුණු කර ගන්නවා. එහෙනම් හැම විටම මෙහෙන් එකක් ගන්නවා කියලා ගන්නකොට උඩ දාගන්න පුතා දෙකක්. මෙතනින් එකක් ගන්නවා කියනකොට මේ පැත්තට උඩ දාගන්න දෙකක්. ඒක place value එක අනුව explain කරා වෙන විදිය. Right. එහෙනම් දැන් අපි බලමු ඈ. එහෙනම් ඔන්න short method එක හරි. මෙහෙන් එකක් ගන්නවා කියපු ගමන් දෙකයි කියලා දාගන්නවා. එතන එකක් ගත්ත ගමන් දෙකයි කියලා දාගන්නවා. place value එක අනුව තමයි ඒක වෙන්නේ. 2 to the power වලින් යන නිසා. Right. Okay, now I will explain you. Right. See there now. The easiest way. 0 subtract 1 cannot. You have to bring from here nothing. You have to bring from there. So I bring this one to this. Right. 1 එක යනවා කියන්නේ 1 is brought mean here becomes 0. And 1 brings to that side means 2s. හැම වෙලේම මේකෙන් එකක් කියනවා කියන්නේ දෙකක් මේ ගොඩට දැනෙන්නේ 2s. Right. Now from here you have to borrow to the other side. So here 2 is there. You bring 1 only. එකක් ඉල්ල ගන්න. ඒතර මේ එකක් කැපිලා යනවා. ඒකයි මේ cut කරන්නේ. So 1 is cut and that one comes to here as 2s. දැන් හරි. දැන් subtract කරමු. 2 subtract 1 1. Okay. Now here what is the answer? 1. 1 is there. 1 subtract 1 subtract 1 means what? 0. Now here 0 is there. You cannot do the subtraction. 1 you bring from here, right? You brought here means here 0. Brought 1 means here 2. එකක් ගන්න කියන අනිවාර්යෙන් දකුණට යද්දි දෙකක් වෙනවා. ඩබල් වෙනවා. So 2 subtract 1 1. So here nothing. 0 0 is not written. Are you clear, my friends? Badly?
So even though it's 4 in the place value, we take 2, no?
Yes. Everywhere, if you bring 1 to the sides, it denotes as 2s. If you bring 1 to the other side, it denotes as 2. You know, I explained it why it happened based on the place value. 8 ඒවා එකක් කියන්නේ 4 ගොඩට දෙකක්. 4 ඒවා එකක් කියන්නේ 2 ගොඩට දෙකක්. 2 ඒවා එකක් කියන්නේ 1 ගොඩට දෙකක්. Right. And the gun maker. දැන් ඊළඟට දෙනවා අපි ගානක් හදුමේ හැමෝම හදමු. මේක ඉගෙන ගත්තේ නැත්නම් හරි ලොජික් එකට බෑ පුතා. බයිනරි සබ්ට්‍රැක්ෂන් අහලා බලන්නකෝ. ග්‍රේඩ් මං අහලා බැලුවා සමහර ළමයින්ගේ ග්‍රේඩ් 9 සිලබස් එකම ඉවර වුණාට පස්සේ පුතා මොකද්ද අමාරුම ලෙසන් එක ග්‍රේඩ් 9 වල කියලා සමහර කෙනා සර් බයිනරි කියලා. බයිනරි ඇඩිෂන් සබ්ට්‍රැක්ට් මම මහව බයිනරි මොනවද බයිනරි සබ්ට්‍රැක්ෂන් ඔන්න ඕක තේරුම් ගන්න රයිට්. ඔයා O level ICT කරනවා ඇතිනේ දැන් ග්‍රේඩ් 9 වල තියෙනව නේද පුතා? එතකොට ඊළඟට ඔයාලා E level IT කරත් මේ මං හිතන්නේ මං IT කරලා නැහැ E level මේ knowledge එක අවශ්‍ය වෙනවා බයිනරිස්. ඒතර අපේ කාලේ IT තෝරගන්න තිබ්බේ නැහැ මම මැත්ස් කරේ. එතකොට අපිට combined maths physics and chemistry ඔය subjects තුන තිබුණේ. Right, finish doing. Now this is your chance. බලමු. හරියට කරයිද කියලා. හරිනේ? Right. ඔය විදිහටම මාක් කරගන්න. මෙහෙන් එකක් ගත්තොත් 2s කියලා දාගන්න. Right. ඒතර ඉස්සෙල්ලා ක්වෙස්චන් එක අපි වින් කරා මට නම් ටික කියන්නත් බැරුණා. answers හරියටම තිබ්බ ගොඩක් අයගේ. එක්කෙනෙක් දෙන්නෙක් තමයි මිස් වෙලා තිබුණේ. Right. Do this subtraction, right? First one. Right. Right. 3 questions are there. Right. Try to complete this one. හරියටම කරමු අපි. Right. Then I can complete the binary lesson today totally. Carefully do the questions and give the answers. Hands up those who finished. Subtraction පුළුවන් නම් නියමයි ඈ. Great. බැරි වෙන්න බෑ හැබැයි විදිහට ඉගෙනුවේ. Right. Shall we see the answers? Right. What is the answer for first one? Hmm. මම අර ඔලිම්පියාඩ් පේපර් එකක් දැම්මා to the group. Right. ඒක try කරන්න පුතා ඔලිම්පියාඩ් match. Right. ඒ වගේත් ඔය වගේ ගණන් තියෙනවා. නිකන් මම කියන්නේ ඒක සිලබස් එකට අදාළම නැති වුණත් අපි ඔළුවේ හැදෙන්න. Right. හොඳට වැඩ කරන්න set වෙනවා. හරි. Right. First question answers. 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 0. Right. බලමු ඈ. Right. 0 subtract 0 0 මං කෙටි ක්‍රමය යන්නේ දැන් කෙටි ක්‍රමය කියන්නේ බේස් එකෙම තමයි 0 subtract 0 0 1 subtract 1 0 0 subtract 1 cannot. I bring this one, then I cut this one, put 0 because 1 brought, but it feels 2. 2 subtract 1 1, then here 0 cannot subtract 1, nothing here, 1 there, so I bring that one, here feels 2, then from 2 I bring 1, then here feels 2 again. Then 2 subtract 1, 1. Here 1 is there, 1. Here nothing. You will not write front zeros, beginning zeros. So the answer base 2. So 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Right. බලන්න ඒකේ උත්තරේ හරියයි. බලන්න මේක දාය පුතා වැරදුනද අපිට? Hands up those who got this answer. මේක ආව නේද? Right. 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Right. Right. Now we move to the second question. If any doubt or if anyone cannot do it, ask. Again, I will again explain. Right. Okay. Here 1, 1, 1, 1 subtract 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 cannot. Here nothing. Here 1 there. You bring that 1 to the near place. Here that means 2's. Here bring 1. 1 is cut. Again 1 means 2. Then 2 subtract 1, 1. Here 1 is there, here nothing. So answer is 1, 1, 1, 0. 1, 1, 1, 0. හරිද ඒක බලන්න එක හරියට උස්සන්න. හරි නේද? වැරදුන්නේ නැහැ මට. Right. So the last question, that is last third. I did third one. Here the second one now. Okay. 0 subtract 1 cannot. So you bring this 1 here 0, here 2 ones. So in 2 subtract 1, 1. Here 0 subtract 0, 0. And here 1 subtract 1, 0. Here 1 is there and base 2. So what was the answer? 1, 0, 0, 1. Hands up those who got the answer. We had the Latin. Right. Okay, we will do right. Megan Hadamuapi, right. And then we will do some applications. Right, base 2 subtract. Right. This is the first question. Second question, we have addition and subtraction together. Right. So these are the two questions. Here we have to do the subtraction, here the addition, and then the subtraction of binary. Right. Try for these two. Then I will start the discussion.
So we have to do according to Bodmer's method, no?
Yes, normally BODMAS mean here the addition you can do first and the subtraction later, no problem. Right. Shall we start? Okay. Right. See the question. Okay. So I will do for you the first one. See everyone, subtraction. 1 subtract 1, 0. Then 1 subtract 0, 1. 0 subtract 1 cannot. We have to borrow from the here, nothing here, here nothing. So from here onwards, we have to borrow. Right. Here 0 because 1 is brought to there. We put 0. 1 means to that side means 2's. Again, then from that 2's, I bring 1. So I cut 1 and here feels 2's. Then I bring 1 of that means this side is cut 1 and here feels 2's. Right. Now, from here 2 subtract 1 means 1. Okay. Now 1 subtract 0 means 1. Then 1 subtract 1 means 0. Right. 0 and here 0. But as I mentioned, the beginning zeros normally we are not writing. So we will not write these beginning zeros. So the answer shall be 1110. Hands up those who got the answer. මේ වගේ ඒවා පුළුවන් නම් පුතා ඕන එකක් හදන්න පුළුවන් binary don't worry. So we completed fully මෙහෙම ඉගෙන ගන්න හම්බෙන්නෙත් නැහැ. Right. Okay. That is fine. So we are now moving to the last part. Okay, fine. So the last question. See there. 1101. So I will write 1101 base 2. Then here 111 base 2. And here you have to add these two and take the answer first. First take the addition answer and then we do the subtraction. Okay. So 1 plus 1 as we mentioned previously, 10 you put 0 and 1 is there. Again, then 1 plus 1, 10 means you put 0, 1 is there. 1, 1, 1, 11, you put 1 there, 1 remaining. 1 plus 1, 10. So that is the addition part answer. Okay, we first take the addition. Then from that answer, we subtract this part, 1, 0, 1, 1. So I write below 1, 0, 1, 1. 1, 0, 1, 1, that is subtraction. Now see there, 0 subtract 1 cannot, here nothing, here 1. So I cut this 0 and I brought 2's to there. Right, then from that I take 1 to that side means 2's. Then 2 volume 1, 1. Then 1 subtract 1. See there, here now only 1. 1 subtract 1, 0. Here 0 there. Concentrate. 0 subtract 0, 0. Okay, now here 0 subtract 1 cannot. You bring that 1 to that side. That means 2's. In 0, then 2 subtract 1, 1. Here 0, you will not write the beginning zeros. 2's. Right. Everyone, are you okay with the lesson? Great. Okay, right. So we completed all the binary parts today: binary addition, binary subtraction, and first day we discussed conversion of binary to decimal and decimal to binary. Right. If you can do this one, right? You will be able to do any questions, right? So so I will give you an exercise. Write down these two exercise. Exercise 2.4. So I will try to send a tute for that one PDF, exercise 2.4, and miscellaneous exercise in your textbook. Page number, I will give page number 25 and 26. Right, page number 25, 26. හැමෝම හරියට හිතට අරගෙන කරන්න ආසාවෙන්. හරි. So subtraction will be covered and addition also covered. So what is the exercise? Exercise 2.4 and miscellaneous exercise, which covers under page 25, 26. Right. So I completely done the binary numbers. So we have the next lessons. I think fractions we have the next day. So I will move to that lesson, fractions. පුතා හැමෝටම clear ද? Okay the lesson එක?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. හැමෝම practice කරන්න මේ questions ටික ගණන් හදන්න මම තව tutes එකක කොටසක් දාන්නම් binaries ඒ ටික හොඳට practice කරන්න. Okay පුතා. Right. So we will meet by next Tuesday same time. If you know any friends, you can ask them to join the class and we will continue it. Okay. Thank you very much, Puta. We will meet by next Tuesday same time. Good luck.
Good night, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Good night, sir.